So guys, I sold volatility 251S index here at this point, and this trade has been moving in good profits. I've taken partial profit on these sells. I've closed about 70% of my positions in good profits, then moved my stop loss below my entry, that's break even. Decided to make a video on this trade, sharing with you guys my view and analysis and what made me sell this index, what I saw in the market that made me look out for sell opportunities on VIX 251S index, a trade breakdown basically. So you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the monthly, can be the weekly or the daily time frame. So I think we should analyze next time from the monthly time frame, but I analyzed from the weekly time frame. I had a view on the weekly time frame chart, but let's analyze starting from the monthly time frame. So in this monthly time frame, we can see that this index is clearly in an uptrend. The first thing I do basically whenever I go to a higher time frame to analyze from that higher time frame is to identify the market's trend. So it's clear that this index is in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. The market is clearly in an uptrend, right? That's the first thing I spotted. So we had a lot of bullish months. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 bullish months in a row at this point. So before this bullish month, before this bullish breakout, for this bullish run, we had a level which price was expecting, a level of resistance, a strong level in the market, and this index was kind of consolidating at this point, creating equal highs and equal lows at this zone. So we had the breakout of this consolidation, which gave this bullish move we've been on. So at these highs, which is the newest highs, the highest highs of the market, this index has failed to continue pushing up. Instead, we're getting this consolidation in this zone. So the last 2 months candle closed in a bearish form with candlestick rejections, with candlestick wicks at this point, indicating that we could get the rejection to the downside in the coming months and weeks on volatility 251S index. I'm expecting markets to sell to this broken level of resistance, this consolidation resistance level, which price has been expecting. We are yet to get a retest of it for the buy continuation. Right? So the market structure says that we are to expect a sell to this zone for price to come test this level as well as our trend level, because on trend lines we have our support level and our resistance level. So these are our trend support, which I'm expecting price to sell to, expecting market to sell to, as well as our horizontal level of resistance that got broken now turned support automatically. So a move to the downside is expected. That's the bigger view of this index. Always analyze, always have a bigger view on any index you want to trade on. Have a bigger analysis, have a high time frame analysis, so you can see the bigger picture of the market. Right, so it's expected that this index sells to this zone for the buys, because the market is in an uptrend. The market is trending basically. I confirmed this potential buy zone by bringing up my Fibonacci to matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs, and you can see that our buy level basically is in line with the 618 fib level, which is a good, which is a potential buy point in the market. So the sales is expected to as far as this level on the monthly time frame. So that's our monthly time frame view on VIX 251S index. So the next thing I did was to have the weekly time frame view. I actually started analyzing from the weekly time frame. So on this weekly time frame, the move to the downside is expected, and market is already creating this equal highs, this double top formation, which is a bearish structure, getting the first highs at that point and the second highs at this zone basically. So this is a nice formation the market is forming, which I'm expecting price to start selling from in the coming weeks and days and months, would say. Yeah, so we have a level here which we could see possible reaction on. This level of resistance, support level currently, because it was previously resistance level, got broken, retested support. We have possibilities of the buy reaction on this level. So once this level gets broken, once price breaks below this level, we'll be seeing the sells to the downside, a free fall to the downside, until this level that we spotted on the monthly time frame, this strong level of resistance. This is a level that we have higher possibility of market reacting on, because we can see market reaction here, resistance, first reaction there, resistance. The number of times the level is being tested determines how strong and the possibilities of market you're expecting those levels and reacting on those levels. So this is a level that we've got price test on a couple of times, react on, market reject on as a resistance before it got broken at this point, before it got broken here at this zone. So we have possibilities of seeing this index do what? Sell to this point and react on it. But before that, a move to this level is expected. That's our first target level on VIX 251S index. So this is giving my sell view on this index, which I spotted a potential sell level on the daily time frame and took my sells on. So I spotted a level here and sold this index. You can see it clearly on the 4-hour time frame. I took the sells at this point, at this zone, and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. What made me sell this index on this time frame was that I saw this lower highs formation, which is a bearish structure, as well as this reversal pattern formation the market is trying to form right now. The left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder basically. So this is a nice bearish reversal pattern formation on this 4-hour time frame, which is the neckline here, which market is yet to break below, but I'm expecting price to break below it. You can see I have my TP right before this level, close to this level. That's my TP level. That's where my TP level is at. So I have about 4 positions running up on this trade. So if price can get to my third TP level, because I've taken first and second TP, this is my third TP level basically, I'll be moving my stop loss down more, because my stop loss is below my entry already. So I'll be pushing my stop loss down more for the sales, to expect more sales, because you could see possible reaction on this level. So if this level can get broken, we would see this index do what? Sell to the downside, sell good to the downside. A break and retest of this level would be getting more sales on VIX 251S index, at least to this point, to this strong level in the market, this strong level basically. So that's what I'm looking out for on this index. So if price can break below this level as well, we'll be seeing more sales on this index. And we have this trend which we are on currently, this higher lows formation, a bullish trend, higher lows the market was forming here. So a test of this level would still see possible reaction on this zone, as well as our trend support. So let's see what happens on this index. Let's just see what happens. My TP levels are very close close to my expected reaction zones, which is this first level here. The neckline of this reversal pattern formation is spotted on the 4-hour time frame and our daily time frame level. So the break of this level, this index will be selling freely to the downside, to this zone. The break of this zone, they will be getting the free sales as well, something of this kind. A break, then a retest on it, a retest, right? Then we'll be seeing this index do what? Sell strongly to the downside to come test our monthly time frame level. Our weekly time frame level would say this level we spotted here, this level that market has reacted on a couple of times, which is our last level we're expecting price to sell to. So market selling to this zone, we'll be expecting a bullish continuation of this trend, because this market is generally in an uptrend. This index is generally in an uptrend, so we should expect price to come react on this level, support, our trend support here, support here, our trend support, and possibly a buy reaction on this level. So it's expected that index sells to this zone, because analysis is basically using past market reactions, past market moves, past market formations to predict what could happen next in the market. So this was the previous market reactions on our trend support level and our horizontal level. So we could expect price to do what? Sell to this zone and react on it as well. So that's my prediction on VIX 251S index. We are still moving in good profit. My stop loss is below my entry. Our TP is about to get smashed right now. So that's it, guys. That's how I sold this index, and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. To join my VIP group, message my admin. His username is dropped on my Telegram channel, my public Telegram channel. So for more trade breakdowns and trade review, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.